What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the "sorry, there was a problem with your request" error on Instagram. This issue can be quite frustrating, especially if it prevents you from accessing your account. Common reasons for encountering this error include issues with your app's cache or potentially compromised account security. First, let's tackle the problem from the app side. Open your device's Settings app and navigate to the Apps section. Here, search for Instagram in your app library. Once you've found Instagram, go to its settings and select Force Stop to hold any background processes the app might be running. Next, access the storage section within the Instagram settings. Here, you'll find option to clear the cache and clear the app data. Performing these actions can resolve issues stemming from corrupted cache or data. If the problem persists, there is a chance your account may have been compromised or flagged by Instagram's security system. To address this, open up your mobile browser and navigate to this Instagram help page linked in the video description. Here, specifically under the Username and Password Troubleshooting section, expand the subsection titled "If you think that your Instagram account has been hacked" and click on the Visit this page link provided there. Following the link will prompt you to open the Instagram app on your device. Agree to this, and once the app is open, you see an option that says "My account was hacked." Select this option and then click on Next. You'll be prompted to enter information such as your username, phone number, or email associated with your Instagram account. Choose the most convenient option for you, and then select one of the recovery options provided below. By following the on-screen prompts, Instagram will guide you through the process of recovering access to your account. This may involve verifying your identity or changing your password. Going through these steps will help you regain access to your Instagram account and restore the "sorry, there was a problem with your request" error. Whether the issue was with the app itself or with your account security, these steps should cover both bases. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.